Akulaleki, angilalanga ebusuku. Lento ifika kumina like a vision. Ngiyaboniswa. Yo. Sanibonani. Ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama. This is part 2. This is part 2. Yo. Asiqale. Let's go back asibuyele emumva sikhuluma ngama Freemason. You remember ku part 1 ukuthi I said once upon a time bekunama founding fathers and they went in search of igrimoire ya Imhotep ngoba befuna ukusamana, befuna ukubiza uNkulunkulu wabo benze naye ideal. Once the deal was done, bona they made a promise. They said an oath to uNkulunkulu wabo. By the ring and by the flame, I give my soul, I give my name. I see no evil, for I am its sight. I hear no evil, for I walk with the night. I speak no evil, for the truth is forbidden. What is known shall stay forever hidden. I turn from the light of the living and pure. I walk the path the damned endure. The horned one calls, and I obey. My freedom bought, my peace decayed. Wealth for my blood, silence for my tongue, my shadow eternal, my flesh undone. Master of freedom, keeper of sin, by this ring I let you in. Understand mntomnyama ukuthi from that day onwards ama founding fathers gained power, they gained wealth. Understand ukuthi generation upon generation of ingane zabo have been living and benefiting from leyo deal abayenza no Imhotep ama founding fathers. They also went on to create an organization isonto and called themselves ama Freemason, and whoever finds themselves under the umbrella ya sonto benefits from the contracts enziwa no Imhotep. Understand ukuthi awuvele uye lapha uthi ufuna ukube member. It's either wazi umuntu ongaphakathi noma you are referred. Understand ukuthi lapha yana you cannot knock at the door and hope ukuthi uzofakwa. You have to be chosen. Understand ukuthi if you want to be someone oyi influence, if you want to be someone oni power la emhlabeni, you have to be known esontweni lama Freemason. And this is ukurecognize kanjani ngokugqoka iringi. The former leader of the Democratic Alliance, Mr. Mayamani, understand ukuthi once you wear le ring, it means unempower, influence, it means you are someone somewhere. Kodwa is-Aram senkosi ingelosi yokulunga uzero inkinga kodwa nkosi uzobezwa kuma comment akusiyona iring yomshado, akuyona iring yomshado lena kodwa is-Aram kodwa uyilungele nje uzero inkinga uyahlupha kodwa is-Aram ngidlalwa ngaye udlalwa ngaye mfundiswa my receiver, mfundiswa my receiver. Uyilungele kodwa uzero inkinga uyahlupha. Nina and understand, because omunye umuntu uzoyibuza ukuthi what does it mean if you wear the ring. Understand ukuthi you have been chosen. They have been watching you. Isikhathi eside babona someone in the hidden order believes in you. Babona ukuthi le ndlela uhamba ngayo i-right, and if bekuthatha bekuthintitha bekubooster, you will be useful when you are at the top ngoba asoze uphazamisa umsebenzi. Number 2, you have been marked. Understanding ukuthi you have touched an artifact that still carries the old signature. Without knowing it, you have entered into a contract with Imhotep. Ngoba wena ungokhethiweyo and wena awusoze uphazamisa umsebenzi. Number 3, you have inherited a curse. The original rings were said to carry a thread. If a ring is passed to a non-initiate, yes, someone ongayeni original bloodline yama founding fathers, it is said that Imhotep will come to collect yena himself. Kodwa Nkosi, yabona mina ngizothunya uphuthu mina. Ungeke bazongithuma uphuthu. I-ring yomshado lena. To everyone who's watching, ubayeda ayenza ngalutho. I-ring ayithola eshada le. Ubayeda ungangithumi uphuthu. I-ring yomshado le. It means nothing. Iqhawe leli i-ring yomshado le. Bantu be-IFP ningalipheki lo liphuthu. Ngiyabacacisela ukuthi i-ring yomshado eyomshado. Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi kunama benefits if umuntu onikwe le ring, if umuntu ogqoka le ring, if umuntu okhethiweyo to be in the Freemason cults. Understand ukuthi uthola i-wealth that appears from nowhere. Suddenly wena unikwe ithenda kodwa ama-equipment okwenza ithenda awunawo. Suddenly wena uwina ilotho uthola ama-millions ungawazi aqhamukaphi. Suddenly wena uba nemali nama-sponsor kodwa sithi masibheka awukwazi uku-acta kahle or awuculi ngaleyo ndlela le ewaw, yabo. Kodwa ke understand ukuthi opportunities that others only dream of ayakufikela wena. Understand ukuthi immunity from the system of control kusho ukuthi wena kahle kahle you can go anywhere and do anything because la ufika khona uzoveza i-ring and automatically bazosho ukuthi you are one of us. Kodwa kulungile baba. Makuyintando yakho ukuthi ngithunyele lo liphuthu. Kodwa iyona kodwa ubayede. Ngeke i-ring babemblessa esontweni lemuphiri. It's akuyona kwakuyi-blessing ayethola cause uyinikwa umfundisi ovele naye unayo le ring. Akuyona Nkosi yami, akuyona Monco, akuyona. It's not yona. It's not, to anyone watching, it's not yona. Akuyona Nkosi, akuyona Simakada.